Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the air blast load over a composite panel which is made of two layers CFRP here and here, and the middle is a PET or polyethylene thermoplastic foam as an energy absorber in the core of the panel. And if I click on this, you can see the deformation of the panel here. Now let me first replace just the upper CFRP sides, then check the damage for it, tension damage for fiber. Also, we can use here, because we use a symmetry to model the this, we can use now YZXZ. Now you will have a full view of the model. See here, this is a full view. Let me make this feature edge to have a better view, and this is the failure which is happen in the top CFRP layer with 16 separate layer, and then compression damage for matrix, tension damage for matrix. Now let me replace the bottom CFRP. See here, you can see. Now let me replace all and deactive the symmetry boundary. Now let me check the plastic deformation and replace the foam, the PET foam here. See the deformation of the foam here. It has the huge deformation, and that's the nature of the foams. PET foam, see the deformation. We can check, for instance, the stress, displacement, or anything else. From history output, we can check, for instance, the displacement, the reaction force, or anything else. Okay, if you need to model the blast load over the composite panel like the CFRP PET foam, you can use this tutorial to perform your work. So if you want to provide that, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the geometry, assembly, definition, material interaction, anything, and then the result as figures. The cost for the CAINP English video and reference for the material is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the content of the tutorial and the payment process. Besides these tutorials on our website, we have a full package containing 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling. If you want to be a master in Abaqus, you can use that. Also, we have some ANSYS CFX tutorial in this package. Here you can see we have the explosion with all method, impact, welding, bioforming, crack, soil, anything. You can find anything here. The cost for this full package is 230 euros. You can see it here, 230 euros. Again, you can use PayPal account for the payment. To understand the content of the package payment way, or if you have any question, contact me to this email here. Thank you for your attention.